Today, I'm here at Yieje Conrad High School with Chef Harris and her students, and they're going to show us how to make samosas. Hello, Chef Harris.
Hello.
All right, can you give us a little background information on how to make samosas?
Yeah, samosas originated in India around about 1253 or 1325. The princes and nobles enjoyed the samosas prepared from meat, ghee, onions, and so on. Today, they're known around the world made with potatoes, and that's what we prepared for you today.
Yum, I am so excited. Are you ready to make this delicious dish for us?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's go.
To start this recipe to make samosas, you want to mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of oil, in a mixing bowl. Rub the flour well for 3 minutes in between the palm of your hand to incorporate the oil well. You can add a little water, little by little, and mix the flour to form a dough ball. It should not be stiff nor soft. Cover, and you're going to let it rest for 25 minutes. So to make the potato filling, we're going to mash the potatoes, set aside. And then you're going to heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a small saucepan or a skillet. Once the oil is hot, you want to add your seasoning. So you're going to add the cumin seeds, ginger, salt, lemon juice, chilies, gram masala. Cook for 1 minute. Add a pinch of hinge. Add mashed potatoes and green peas to the pan or skillet. Mix everything together to combine. Once it's well incorporated, remove pan from heat, let it cool down a bit. Now we're going to shape and fry the samosas. Once the dough has rested, give it a quick knead. Roll the dough ball into a circle oval kind of shape, around 6 or 7 inches in diameter, and then cut in 2 parts. Take 1 part, apply water on the straight edge side. Now you want to put that water on that straight edge side so it will close together and seal the dough with the potato mixture inside. I bring the 2 ends of the straight edge together and pinch them to form a cone. We didn't pinch them, we used a fork to give them a nice little design. Heat the oil in a pan or skillet on low. Then you can drop the shaped samosas into the oil. You want to turn that heat up a little bit, so you want to fry it on medium heat. After around 12 to 10 minutes, the samosas will become firm and light brown in color. So what goes well with samosas? Mint chutney. You only need a food processor. You want to combine all these ingredients. A bunch of fresh cilantro, 1 bunch, 1½ cups of fresh mint leaves, 1 green chili pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, tablespoon of lemon juice. We have yogurt, you're going to add that in there also. And then water, you're going to add maybe 1/4 of a cup or just as much as you need, because you want it a little thick, but you don't want it too soupy.
Ta-da! This looks delicious. So can you tell me one more time, how do you say this dish again?
Samosa.
Samosas. Okay, so we're going to taste this samosas. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Dip it in a little bit.
And go for it.
Okay. I can taste the potatoes.
I can taste the kick, the heat.
Oh yes, yes, yes. It's crunchy on the outside.
It is. And the potatoes makes it soft on the inside with the green peas.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
It is delicious.
That's good.
Well,
That's good.
thank you, Chef Harris, and thank you, Yieje Conrad High School, for this nice tour to India with samosas.
Our pleasure.